Hello, my name's Kev from Data Sites, and in this short video, we're going to be talking about pushing data to Google Sheets. So already you'll be exporting data out of various systems and then manually putting it up to Google Sheets just because you like Google Sheets. It's more collaborative, it's easier, or maybe you're feeding that into Google Data Studio. But at the end of the day, a little bit tiring doing that manually once a day or however many times a day you want to do it. So what we allow you to do is actually pull your data automagically from your systems, populate your data lake, and then give you the opportunity to very easily push a subset of that data to Google Sheets. Remember, Google Sheets is not a database. There's a limit of 400,000 cells, so you can't push everything. But the end result is that whether it's zero data or a cello data, or it could be a combination of data or anything that we pull, you'll be able to very easily push that up to your Google Drive and your Google Sheet in whatever format you want. Okay, so how do we do that? Bottom line is under Services and Tools, come to the G Sheet Push service. The most important thing is that you need to share your spreadsheet. So say this is your spreadsheet with this particular user, like so. Reason being, that's the user that our service uses to push and pull data from your sheet. In this instance, we're just pushing. And then quite simply, add a new line here. Give it a name. The Google Sheet ID is this thing here in the URL. So copy and paste that. Give it another name. So this would be the name that is down here. So balance sheet consolidated view. Maybe what I'll do is just show you an existing one. And so that name can be the same. This is the name of the sheet that you want to push to in Google Sheets, so that has to match. And then, like I mentioned, we don't want to use Google Sheets as a database. So what we allow you to do is just to push SQL views. If you don't know how to get to create a SQL view, it's super easy. Just get in touch with us with the chat button below and we'll help you out. But what that's going to do is it's going to limit the amount of data. It's going to make sure that just the report data you want, the columns you want, gets to a sheet. It means that even if you're pulling bits from 5 or 6 different tables and you only really want one table, maybe with some formatting and a bit of basic logic in there, some percentage calculations or something like that, the more we can do at the database layer, the more performant your Google Sheets is going to be. The more we limit your data to the database and the less we push to Google Sheets, the more performant your Google Sheets is going to be, and everyone downstream is going to be happier. So I hope that makes a bunch of sense. Once you've added the sheet, then you can come to the data syncs page and add a Google Sheet pusher integration. So what we mean by that is just by coming to the data syncs page and adding a new integration called the G Sheet Push service. Where are you? There, Google Sheet Pusher service. We have a lot of integrations. Choose a time. If you're confused by this, we're going to be replacing this with a very nice, easy to understand one, like Monday to Friday, that kind of thing. But again, if this is confusing to you, then just get in touch with us in the chat and we'll help you out. And that will schedule when you can push to Google Sheets. So I hope this has been useful. At the end of the day, you already know that you want your data automated into Google Sheets. We're already pulling your data into your data lake. And what we're doing is we're making it really easy to get the correct data into your Google Sheets on a regular basis. All right. Any questions, anytime, hit us up. Hope you have a great day. Cheers. Bye.